Are you curious about different Linux distros? Today, we'll compare Arch Linux and Fedora Linux. Both are popular choices, but they serve different users. Arch is known for its simplicity and customization. Fedora, on the other hand, focuses on innovation and user friendliness. Let's dive into Arch Linux first. Arch is a rolling release system. This means it always has the latest software. It's great for users who want control over their setup. However, it can be challenging for beginners. You need to install everything from scratch, which some find rewarding. Now, let's look at Fedora Linux. Fedora is backed by Red Hat. It aims to provide a stable and polished experience. It comes with many features right out of the box. This makes it a good choice for new users. It also has a strong focus on open source software. So, what sets them apart? Arch is all about customization and control. Fedora prioritizes ease of use and stability. If you want to tweak your system to your liking, go for Arch. If you prefer a ready to use experience, Fedora is the way to go. When it comes to features, Arch gives you full control over packages and updates. Fedora offers a user friendly installer and a polished desktop environment. Both have strong communities, but Arch's community is more focused on DIY solutions. In terms of pricing, both are free. You can download and use them without any cost. However, arts may require more time investment to set up. In the end, if you love tinkering and learning, choose Arch Linux. If you want a smooth and easy experience, Fedora Linux is perfect for you. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.